So I don't know, just I will let it go. I just wanted to show my project. I was expecting to show my project to this guy, but he didn't show up, so I'm just gonna show it uh, just for everyone, basically. So let me talk about the project, which is sorry, it's mm, it's a toy. It's a toy with multiple purposes. It's a helping tool actually for kids to study, for teenagers, for college, for university, for your job. So the tool it's something like this. It's gonna be a toy. It will have ESP32 processor chipset integrated with microphone, camera, and a projector. Sorry, not camera, microphone, speaker, and projector. So he will be able to project into the wall or into anything. This is optional, you don't need the projector. For being like an EA agent. So I'll show how this started. This started with basic multi-tool that I made in Python. So let me show you the tool. It's kind of deprecated, but still works. Oh, sorry, I'm not sharing my screen. Let me just fix that. Okay, share my screen now. So let me execute it. Uh, this was made by me. I started this project like very long time ago. It's a multi-processing, multi-purpose tool, so it has many tools inside. So one of the one that I like most, maybe it's all my experience with NVIDIA, TTS, Oyama, and OpenCV. But it has other useful tools like QR tool to make QRs, summarizer, text to voice to text, web scrapper. This is very important one. WhatsApp bot, also very important one. Uh, um, let's just try one. I'll try probably the OpenCV, which is for image recognition. Uh, Actually, I'm gonna show you the Jolo before, which is better version of OpenCV version. So I'm running it. It will run this little tool. So here you can select, you can choose an image. I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, which has a motorbike. Quickly, it will identify that's one motorbike in the image. Uh, Here it is. So let me choose another verse. Here, here it says it has two motorbikes and one person in the image, and you can see it's correct. So this is one of the tools. Let me show you another tool. For example, one that I really like and the one that kind of dragged me into the next project that I'm gonna show is this one, which is kind of fun.
Hello Charlie, good afternoon.
Hello, how are you doing? So this is like an agent in my computer. It's always listening and it can execute code. Like for example, I say open YouTube, please. Nothing happens. All right. Open YouTube, please. Maybe my microphone is turned. I don't know. Open YouTube. Open YouTube. It's not working. Probably because I'm using my mic. So I'll try. I'll try to switch in mics here. So let me add a new microphone. This one will be my cam mic. Uh, Let me use this one. You can hear me? You can still hear me? Yeah, you can still hear me. Uh, I don't know if this gonna. I don't know if this gonna work. I hope so. So I hope you still hear me. Let me. Oops. Let me try that again. Like that.
Hello, Charlie. Good afternoon.
Hello, how are you doing? Open YouTube. Okay, it's working
Opening
now.
YouTube.
Sorry. So it has a default microphone device. It wasn't set up right. Uh, so yeah, you can do things like this. What's the time? What time is it? I'm sorry. What's the time?
The time is 12:49.
So it's not working perfectly. I don't know why, because it was working perfectly all the time until now. But it's been a long since I don't use it. I'll try it again. Can you open YouTube? Can you open YouTube? Just open YouTube, please. Open YouTube. I don't know, it's not working right. Sorry, I just have to pass on this. But it was working very well, and from there, this project started. So I don't know, maybe here. So this is the new version of the project. This is just a prototype. This is like the core functions of it. So let me show you. For example, you can type anything here or just speak. You can speak to it. If I select my microphone, let me just say, hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi nombre es Carlos. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi nombre es Carlos. So it will use this text to text to hear. It's always hearing. It's always hearing us. From here, you can do many things. Like, for example, I want to detect the language. It will say Spanish. So I'll want to translate this to English. So I just press here. This is the English text. I can copy this text and paste it and use it for like create a story. So it will create a story for the text. I don't wanna read the whole story, but maybe I want to send this story to a blog post. So I just hit the blog. It will create a blog post. From this post, I want to create like an email. So I just create an email. This email is in Spanish, so I can translate it to English. If I want to generate a new tool, and this is where it's get interesting. For example, I have all these two tools, but I want an extra tool that makes like a resume for this, for example. So I'll just create a resume tool. This resume tool will choose resume. Okay. So if I have the tool and I use it now, it will create a resume from the text. So now the text is very short. I want to translate this to Russian, so I will create a tool Russian tool which which will translate to Russian. I type it, but now we have text in Russian. So let me just do a check with the translate. If I type the text, it will the text is Russian, and it will. It's a pretty nice translation, and it's a pretty nice tool. You can do whatever. For example, I have like this number multiplied by this one. I want to resolve this. I got my resolve tool, which will resolve. I have tools to make book grocery store list, encrypt text. These tools just come from your imagination, and you can type them in as normal prompts, and the IA will interpret it and will create a better prompt with a structure to work. So, for example, I want to write a text or a text about Martian. So I just have to type a Martian and hit the story button. It will create the story. I think the story is too long, so I want to short it. I want to resume it. Okay, I got a resume version. I want to improve the text. This will like add some grammar correction, some spelling correction. I would also add some emojis to make the text looks better. We can see the emojis not in the platform yet, but if we copy the text and we paste it, we will see the emojis for the text. So this is kind of the back end of the tool. You also have these buttons where you can just like upload files. For example, I would just load, I don't know, I'll just upload this text. And now I got the text here, and I can just, I don't know, detect the language. Maybe I want to use a quick prompt on it, and I would say like, what's this text about? Like I can make questions about the text. So this text is, it will tell me what it is. So now I have a cleaner version of it. So tons of possibilities, tons of utility, and this is the back end of the application. Let me show you the prototype, because this is just a prototype, the front end of the application. So this application will run inside a chipset, like I said before, and inside this little, not this one, but this is just a prototype. What's the thing that's gonna project? That's what I wanted to show. So let me go to the next step, which is showing you the projection. So let me set up my microphone. Yeah, it's all good. I think it's all good. Yeah, I think it's all good. So when you turn on the projector, you will be able to project a character that's looking just like this one. Not maybe just like this one, it will have different appearance, but with this quality. So now we can, instead of being writing, we can just talk. Hello, how are you doing?
¿Qué tal? ¿Necesitas algo?
Yeah, my microphone is not being... And I have this problem when I record that the device fight one to each other.
Hello, I'm trying to just see if you can hear me. It's not able to hear me.
¿Qué onda? ¿En qué andas?
Hello, I'm trying to. Oh, it's now here. Okay, so.
¿Qué pasa?
So far, it's config to speak in Spanish, so I have to speak Spanish so he can understand me. I'm gonna ask him like how is he doing. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Me podrías decir qué tal tu día?
Hola, qué bueno verte por aquí. Mi día va de maravilla, gracias por preguntar. Estoy trabajando en un nuevo proyecto que me tiene muy entusiasmado. ¿Y tú qué tal?
Okay, so imagine having this in a room with kids, or just you, like imagine you're studying. I don't know. I have some electronic diagrams here, and I want to know what's this Hall sensor. So I'll just ask, do you know what's a Hall sensor?
¿Te ocurre algo? Pareces un poco distraído.
He doesn't hear me. Do you know what it has? I'm speaking English, sorry. ¿Sabes para qué es un sensor Hall?
Claro, un sensor Hall se utiliza para detectar y medir la presencia de campos magnéticos.
So
¿Estás pensando en utilizarlo para algún proyecto?
he has all kind of knowledge just provided by the benefits of using artificial intelligence. So there is ton of room to play here and ton of uses. So this will be like a better version of Alexa and Siri with really artificial intelligence integrated. It will work offline with limited possibilities, but it will also work tons way better with an internet connection. So let me talk more. Let me talk more about the chipset. So I'm using the ESP32 chipset, which has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection integrated. So this with the help of some sensors like microphone, speaker, SD card reader and writer, we can have these LLMs just integrated into the SD card, be able to generate very fast and clear responses without any delay. But also we can use the internet to find information. So, ¿puedes decirme algo sobre el chipset ESP32? Oh, he will explain it better
Me
for me.
encanta el ESP32. Es un microcontrolador potente y versátil, ideal para proyectos de IoT porque tiene Wi-Fi y Bluetooth integrado. ¿Estás pensando en usarlo para algo en particular? Si
Yeah,
necesitas
he can do many
recursos,
things.
recuerda que tengo mi
From
sitio web
resolve math problems,
www.centurionargentina.com.
¿Cuánto es 47.000.833 dividido 78?
Uf, esa es una pregunta para una calculadora. Déjame buscar una y te digo el resultado. Guiñando el ojo.
Solo dime cuánto es 47.833 dividido 8.
Son 5.979,125.
So,
¿Necesitas que
yeah.
calcule algo más?
As you can see, he has a fast response time. He can work good online, offline. I say that like 1,000 of times. It will be something like this. It will project the avatar. That's optional. You can use it without the projection. You can just talk, like if you are using Alexa or something like that. For the PC version, this is the physical version. For the PC version, it will be something like it will be just an interface that can hear you, and you can type, you can upload documents, you can download documents. Let me show you once again. Just a quick. I'm gonna upload I'm gonna go to files. Let me get some files. Um, okay, I'll get this file. Yeah, these files, I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna drag it, drop it. I'll choose quick prompt and ask, what's this file about? So he will tell this that describe comprehensive asset organization system for a game project named Thunder. Okay, I remember what this file it is. So it made a cool resume. So ton of possibilities here to study, to develop. You can download this response if you want to have. Uh, so yeah, basically that's the project that I wanted to show in my interview today. I'm kind of disappointed that the interview didn't go even. So yeah, I hope someone there can like see the truly potential of this, and I will be very glad to cooperate with more people to just create to make the thing come true. I want this toy uh, being used by people to study, to work, to generate projects, like just to have fun. It's a really fun toy and it's a really useful toy. So yeah, I hope this video reach the right person there. Um, um, See you. Bye bye.